If you're a homeowner, you need this game changer. Say hello to wheel powder, the ultimate laundry booster. Tired of stubborn stains and dull clothes? Wheel powder is here to save the day. Packed with powerful ingredients, it tackles even the toughest stains while keeping your fabrics bright and fresh. Simply add the recommended amount to your washing machine and let wheel powder work its magic. No more scrubbing, no more soaking. Just clean, vibrant clothes every time. Love what you see? There is a huge selection of top-quality wheel powders available in various sizes to fit your project, all at competitive prices. The link is provided in video description. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Make sure to check the video description for links to buy wheel powder on Amazon India at the best prices. Happy washing, everyone! Until next time, keep your laundry fresh and fabulous with wheel powder. Thank you.